How to turn off notes on Instagram, posts, and Reels. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to turn off notes on Instagram posts and Reels. You can disable the note feature in your Instagram posts and Reels with just a few simple steps. Just follow along with this step-by-step tutorial until the end. Before we start, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. So to turn off notes on Instagram posts and Reels. First things first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen to open your profile page. Once you're on your profile, you'll notice 3 lines at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on those to open up a menu. This will open a new screen with various settings. Scroll down to the How Others Can Interact with You section. Under this section, you'll see the Sharing and Remixes option. Tap on it. Find the Allow Notes on Posts and Reels option. Once you find it, turn off the toggle switch button next to it to disable the Notes feature. And that's it! You've successfully turned off the Note feature on your posts and Reels. Now your followers and others will not be able to add notes to your pictures and Reels. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.